Okay children, starting with a new topic. We have studied in our previous class to construct a triangle. We need three things, that is three sides and three angles. So a polygon which is a three-sided closed figure needs either measurement of three sides or measurement of three angles for the construction. Is this also applicable for a quadrilateral? Quadrilateral means a polygon of four figures. That means any four measurements or the measurements of the four sides or four angles is enough to find to construct a quadrilateral. Okay, so let's see. Suppose you have four measurements, like let the length be 10 centimeter and breadth be 5 centimeter. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's draw it. So when you draw something like this, you will get, yes, this is a quadrilateral. Which type of a quadrilateral this is? Rectangle. Now if you try to push the breadth, something like this, tilt the breadth, then it becomes what? It becomes a parallelogram. Yes. So you see that only measurement of four given sides is not enough. Yes. That means 5 measurements are more than enough. Then suppose if you get the measurement of a diagonal, like for example the diagonal is 8 centimeters. This diagonal is 8 centimeters. So if you draw a rectangle with a diagonal of 8 centimeters like this, then can it be possible to shift your breadth like this little more? No, it is not possible. You cannot push because this is a fixed point now. Yes, this is a fixed point. That means to construct a quadrilateral, not just like a triangle, only 3 measurements are enough. Like in triangle we have only 3 measurements. Quadrilateral is not possible with 4 measurements, but it needs 5 measurements. Okay, 5 measurements, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But which 5 measurements? Is it 3 angles, 2 sides, or 2 diagonals, 3 sides? It depends, no? It depends. So we are going to go ahead and do that also, that part also. So there is one thing to discuss and write is given. Okay. So like for example, this is Arshad has given, Arshad has 5 measurements for a quadrilateral ABCD. So let's just make a rough sketch. A, B, C, D. So AB is 5 centimeter. This AB is 5 centimeter. Then AC is 4 centimeter. This is 4 centimeter. BD is 5 centimeter. This is 5 centimeter. And AD is 6 centimeter. This is 6 centimeter. So these are the, and angle A is given 50 degrees. Sorry, I forgot that. So these are the 5 measurements which were given to Arshad. So is it possible to construct this quadrilateral? Okay, is it possible? I believe because given the following measurements, means following measurements should be given for a quadrilateral to be a unique quadrilateral, or to be actually unique only, because Arshad also had to construct a unique quadrilateral. So the first one is when 4 sides and 1 diagonal is given. 4 sides, 1, 2, 3, 4. These 4 sides should be given and any one diagonal is given. Okay. Then construction of a unique quadrilateral is possible. Unique quadrilateral means a type of a quadrilateral. Otherwise, you won't be able to differentiate whether it is rhombus, whether it is kite, whether it is square, whether it is rectangle, got it, or trapezium. Then second one, when 2 diagonals and 3 sides are given. When 2 diagonals, maybe these 2 diagonals is given and 3 sides. 3 sides are given. Then a unique quadrilateral is possible. Then the third one, when 2 adjacent sides are given. When 2 adjacent sides are given and 3 angles are given. When 2 adjacent sides are given, adjacent yani बाजू के 2 sides, so you can say 1, 2 and 3 angles are given. So 1, 2 and 3 angles you can say. These 3 angles are given, or you can say this angle also. Any, okay, any 3 angles are given. Then fourth one, when 3 sides and 2 included angles are given. When 3 sides, 1, 2 and 3 sides are given and 2 included angles means in 3 sides में जो 2 angles include हो रहे हैं ये वाले are given. Then when other special properties are given, and special properties like for example all 4 sides in a square are equal. So if it is written construct a square. So if any one side is also given, you can make it easily. You know why? Because all the 4 sides, you know, will be having the same measurement. Okay. So this is how we can construct a quadrilateral. Now there is one more thing to discuss and write given in page 60. This also we will discuss and we are going to write in the book. We saw that 5 measurements. Of a quadrilateral can determine a quadrilateral uniquely. Do you think any 5 measurements of a quadrilateral can do this? No, because Arshad's case was the same. Yes. So what we write? No, due to lack of specific combinations. So first one, no, due to lack of some specific combinations which are not provided. Okay, this is the first one. Then second one, can you draw a parallelogram BATS? So let's have a rough sketch of it. BATS. Can you draw a parallelogram BATS where BA is 5 centimeter, AT is 6 centimeter, and AS is 6.5 centimeter, and AS is 6.5 centimeter. So it's a parallelogram. So obviously opposite sides are equal. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay. So is it possible here? Again, lack of specific combination is not there. How? Lack of specific combination is not there? Because you won't be able to locate S and T because BS is not given and ST is not given. So any one had to be here also. Got it? So this is the reason. obviously we can draw. This is 6 centimeter and this will be 5 centimeter. So it is yes, you can. Okay, not no. It is yes. Because special property we will use, since it is written it's a parallelogram. So yes, we can draw. It will be very easy for us because 4 sides and 1 diagonal is given. Then third one, so answer is yes. Because specific combinations are given. It is possible. Can you draw a rhombus? Again rhombus, that means all sides equal. So let's draw a rough figure. Z, E, A, L. Where ZE is equal to 3.5 centimeter. Now this is 3.5 centimeter, so every will be 3.5 centimeter. And diagonal EL. Diagonal EL is 5 centimeter. Specific combination is given, yes. Special property is given. So yes, we can construct. Then comes the fourth one. A student attempted to draw a quadrilateral PLAY. Let's draw it. So second one is yes, not no. Fourth one. A student attempted to draw a quadrilateral PLAY. So let's draw a rough sketch first and foremost. PLAY. Where PL is 3 centimeter, LA is 4 centimeter, LA is 4 centimeter, AY is 4.5 centimeter, and PY is equal to 2 centimeter, and this is also given, I think. LY is given how much? 6 centimeter. So, he was not, already it is written, okay, the question is there that he was not able to draw. So, you don't have to check whether he was able to draw or not. It is written but could not draw it. What is the reason? The reason is here, you can see children. This is a triangle. If you see this triangle, the length of the two sides in a triangle is always greater than the third side. Okay, so no, because in triangle YPL, length of two sides is not greater than third side. That is, you can see 2 centimeter plus 3 centimeter should be greater, but here it is smaller than the third side, that is 6 centimeter. So this is the reason because of which this quadrilateral is not possible. So this is the property of the triangle which we have applied here. After this is exercise 4.1, where we have to construct and we have to write the steps of constructions also, children, because we can see in the example steps of constructions are also written. So what to do? First we will draw a rough sketch, okay, then we are going to draw according to the rough sketch, and whatever we are drawing we will keep on writing. This is how we are going to do. So let's start with the first one. अभी तक हम जो कर रहे थे, it was in the book. Now we are starting in the copy. So you will have to write the heading of chapter 4, and what is the name of the chapter? It's practical geometry, I believe. Practical geometry. Practical geometry, and we are starting exercise 4.1, question number 1. Construct the following quadrilaterals. So the first quadrilateral, let's make a rough figure of it. LIFT, quadrilateral LIFT, LIFT, where LI is 4 centimeters, IF is 3 centimeters, TL is 2.5 centimeters, LF is 4.5 centimeters, and IT is 4 centimeters. IT is how much? 4 centimeters. This is the rough sketch which we can draw at the side. So the first thing we will draw the base. What is the base? LI. How much centimeter? 4 centimeter. So we will take a ruler in which we are going to mark a point L. With the help of the ruler we mark another point I, and then we join L and I. This is how we get LI. We will draw a line segment LI of 4 centimeters. So suppose this is your 4 centimeters. फिर से समझाती हूँ, ध्यान से सुनो. You will take a ruler. First you mark a point L. Take the ruler, place the ruler. Now wherever is 4 on the ruler in centimeters, mark the point there. Then name it I and then join LI. This is how you get a line segment of LI. So we'll write the steps of construction. Draw a line segment of 4 centimeters. Draw a line segment LI of 4 centimeters. Okay. Now you know you are going to complete this in 5 to 6 lines. Yes. So after 5 to 6 lines, start writing. Now take your rounder. That is, you also say compass, na? So from I, mark a point, mark an arc. Okay, mark an arc like this of radius how much? 3 centimeter. So take 3 centimeter radius in your rounder and from I draw an arc like this. So 3 centimeter will be somewhere here. Okay. So we have to write this also. From I draw an arc of radius 3 centimeters. Okay. Now from L radius 4.5 centimeters, draw another arc on the first arc. Yes. So again take the rounder and take 4.5 centimeters and draw an arc. Cut the first arc. Something like this. And the point of intersection will be what? F. ठीक है? क्या करेंगे? From point L से पहले आर्क के ऊपर दूसरा आर्क मार्क करेंगे of radius 4.5 centimeters. Draw another arc Draw another arc on the first arc of radius 4 centimeters from I. So you take, इसको थोड़ा बड़ा बनाना है ऐसे. Then from point I, take the radius of 4 centimeters and mark an arc something like this. Okay, ध्यान से फिर से हम I से एक दूसरा आर्क मार्क करेंगे of radius 4 centimeters, something like this, and this point of intersection is T. So mark the point of intersection as T. Got it? Now join LT, IT, and IF. Okay. So now we will write join LT, IT and TF, not IF, and LT, IT and TF. Got it? So this is the required quadrilateral. Hence, in the end we write hence LIFT, lift, is the required quadrilateral. This completes question number 1. Okay, very simple. अपने लैंग्वेज में, अपनी भाषा में, अपने वर्ड्स यूज करते हुए we are going to write the steps of constructions. Got it? First we make a rough sketch, then we leave 5 to 6 lines and then we start our what steps. हम जो करते जाते हैं वही हम लिखते जाते हैं. Got it? So this is how we get our quadrilateral also, and without fail we get our steps of constructions also. ना कुछ याद करना पड़ता है, ना कुछ सोचना पड़ता है. Got it? So this completes question number 1, means first part of question number 1. Rest we are going to continue tomorrow.